So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check all the Google accounts created by your phone number. You wanted to check if your Google account, if you created a Google account with a certain phone number, how do you check it? So what you need to do is open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you can search for Find My Account. Click on Find My Account. Also click on it. Open the first search browser you see here. Click on it. Now you are going to put in either email or the Gmail or your phone number. You're going to put the phone number you wanted to search. I'm going to put a phone number. Once you put the phone number, click on next. Once you click on next, put the name. Once there, click on next. And you can see if there's any Gmail being created with your account, with your phone number, you're going to find it here. So this is it. So yeah, you can see currently there's no any email or Gmail open with my number, so it's very easy to find it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.